Castor oil is a vegetable oil that is derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant, Ricinus communis. It has been used for various purposes for centuries due to its potential medicinal and industrial applications. Here are some important aspects of castor oil. Medicinal uses. Castor oil is commonly used as a laxative to relieve constipation. It works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting bowel movements. It can be taken orally or applied topically as a poultice for certain skin conditions. However, it's important to follow recommended dosages and consult a healthcare professional before using it as a laxative. Skin and hair benefits. Castor oil is often used in skin care and hair care products due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. It can be applied topically to the skin to help hydrate and soften it. Some people also use castor oil for hair growth and to improve the condition of their hair. Potential health benefits of castor oil. Apart from its traditional uses, castor oil is sometimes used as a home remedy for conditions such as arthritis, inflammation, and skin infections. However, scientific evidence supporting these uses is limited, and it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. It's worth noting that while castor oil is generally considered safe for topical use and as a laxative in recommended doses, it may cause side effects such as stomach discomfort, diarrhea, and skin irritation in some individuals. It's advisable to use castor oil under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications.